Upgrading server memory can feel like a daunting task, but the ATEX 16GB kit, 2x8GB, makes it surprisingly straightforward, especially if you're running Dell PowerEdge servers like the R240, R250, R330XL, R340, R350, T140, T150, T30, T340, or T350. This DDR4 2666 MHz ECC unbuffered RAM is designed to breathe new life into these machines. The kit arrives as two 8GB modules, which is ideal for taking advantage of dual-channel memory configurations in many of these servers. Being ECC unbuffered, it offers a crucial layer of data integrity, catching and correcting single-bit errors that can crop up during operation. This is particularly important for servers where data reliability is paramount. Installation is generally a breeze. ATEC emphasizes that no expertise is required, and that's largely true. Consult your server's manual for the correct DAMM slots to use, and the modules snap right in. The 1.2 V standard voltage also means it should play nicely with your existing power setup. The performance boost is noticeable. Expanding the RAM capacity allows the server to handle more concurrent tasks, larger data sets, and more demanding applications without bogging down. This translates to smoother operation, faster response times, and an overall improvement in system responsiveness. ATEC's commitment to quality is also reassuring. They put these modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. Plus, the limited lifetime warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Their tech support team is also available to assist with any questions or concerns, both before and after the purchase. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost the performance and reliability of your Dell PowerEdge server, the ATEX 16GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a cost-effective upgrade that can make a real difference in your server's performance and stability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.